Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Program. I must come on with my bad day attitude. No, that's not what the program is about. The bad day that I'm having, it's me to deal with that, not for you guys to help me. You understand me? So it's either I come off or I stand and change my energy. No, you dress up the level of madness that Jada exude. You dress up, for come on the internet, come ball. Me never see this yet in a history. Nobody never knows say you breed, so how we ever know say you have miscarriage? We not care whether you want breed or dash it way. We no business. We no business. A year cemetery. The skulls belongs to you. Nobody no care. And people want to about him always talking badly. The mere fact that you identify, say you're mad, you could have never licked me and get way. You could have never licked me and get way. You think you're gonna lick me and then pretend say you're mad after you tell me say you're mad? Jada need help. Jada is a mad woman. Jada cares zero when I want to say. Jada is a mad woman and una encourage her in her madness. Una before una seek help for the child. Me never understand. Me not understand how Jada get up and bed to come depress the internet. The devil really have work for idlers. Me tell you, say no for una the devil ass whip. You not take to the net and encourage young girls and tell them say you are so good from creech days. You are so good from you in a blanket. You not tell the people them that. Mumsel Osh. No, she dress up for cry. Me never see this yet. Jada keep a sturdy case of funeral pan herself. Me never see this from my band from I was a kid. Me never see this. I never see this yet. From I was a kid. Dress up for cry. And then Uno say, "My always a tear down woman." Uno, a woman them there? A woman them there just answer. Open your big stinking mouth and answer. A woman them there when you can sit down and say, "I saw me know Jada never pray overnight. She never pray that bed, she just drop asleep." Jada just drop asleep, like they just take her and she just. And then the sun catch up on her window and she comes and say, "Oh, when I said me there go do last night, me have to go dress up, I set my wig good. And put on your makeup and make sure so they rake them by your eye. Them curves, so yeah man, they rake them. Yeah, cause every time you're back, we can see the leaf them a sweep. Yeah. And you make sure put on your lip, you get your lip correct. And you have to tell me about depression. And you get your lip gloss correct. And your wig tucked down. You can't depress. Jada is a liar. Jada, you don't depress. You don't depress. You come for depress people. He's a liar. Then I saw you sleep cute. Because if you dress up from overnight, you get up this morning for cry. I saw you stand up and sleep like a damn. Because you now pull up yourself, You stand up and sleep like a dan. You don't depress. You know what you do. You don't have no miscarriage. You want some form of attention. You're a mad woman. You're very mad. You need a certificate. Yeah man, you're very mad Jada. You're a mad ratted girl. Yeah man, you name mad Jada. For sure, you're a mad girl. Who does that? Who does that? Who dress up for compound the net come cry? And nobody not dead for you because the belly of you turn it back in our blood. Liquid it come, liquid it go. And you cry. A long time you depend road, man coming at your hole against your will. Enough time you flush out that, nothing on you what you do. What you cry? I mean, must sit down and ball with you and say, oh God, and girl out there bust them back for have pick me and can't breathe. And them want somebody, they want a child to inherit. And you are dash your blood. Go on, yeah, that could have come out by your pad. You never have to come cry, my baby. That could have come out in your period like there is a fingernail and finger and toe and head. That could have come out in your blood. Exactly. Exactly. Me no know what do no. Not too tricky for her. Not too tricky for her. Not tricky for her, not tricky for her. Me not understand you dress up. Me say when me look by you, so me say what a wicked dirty girl. Look pan she, you go like your mother. You tell the people in your age. So your age no match your body. You tell them your age because number one, enough people born before you and God know. Some people were 40 and believing say that you're there before them. Me not tell you say you're there from the board, the wood light post of the board cross, so like crucifixion. Yeah man, you there from in a them time yeah. From Jamaica have the wood light post with the crucifixion cross on it. Yeah, and from them time the Jada the road. It's true. It's true. On a depressing and on a hate when people tell on the truth. On a hate it. When you find your hood them where you want to suck or fit your mouth or your hole, you're not depressed, you know. We want you depressed under the cocky. And under the hood, we want you depressed, Jada. We want you depressed under good hood. Yeah, at them depression. Because you must feel that depression only comes when you call it. At that, me say Jamaican people, Jada, you can't go back to school. Jada, you're big and fat and dunce. God believe me. You come like the fat girl on the mango tree. For true. Go back to school, you're too dunce. Come like depression only come when you call it. The last time a gun shop we see her going on. Oh, you never depressed to the point for take up the gun and shoot up in the place or yourself. Eh? Oh, you're not depressed to that point. No, mums them always talk this. People love to talk about hear him, hear this. But oh yeah, come and spread depression. You know some people have a depression problem on the internet and they are battling with it, honestly, and them can't contain it. And for you to come on the internet and playing with it, knowing that you don't have no form of depression, you're not depressed, you're just mad. You're born mad. Jada, you're mad. You're not depressed. Hey, mom tell me 8, you know. No, but it's not lying. People out there battle with this, you know, that we are playing with, you know. I wonder if some of the people on this really understand why me have to rush some dirty people so. Jada notice depression. Jada ever look like she depressed in her crowd yet? Jada look like she look the next cracky. You have real people with real life, real jobs, a battle with depression. And for you take to the net and not talk about, oh, I'm depressed. I have a miscarriage. Jada, a long time you suck body and dash rebellion. A long time man a broke in you. Long time condom a tear off in you and you're not tight. A long time holy things. A long time man a Trojan in you. A year catches inspire the company to make the condom Trojan. A long time man a Trojan in you. Long time beer back man a Trojan in you. Yeah, for true. Beer back, man, I throw John in a you. Long time. Long time. You supposed to can just stand up and come just run out of your big hole. Yeah, long time man a deposit coming at you. You come on the internet. Go get certified. Go and tell the hospital that you're not well in your head. Go and tell them that. Yeah, people got hard for stay relevant for true and make themselves in an ass. Eh? Go and have several seats. You fool like Monique Ellis with their zip. But share award, man. But I hope you use this. You don't use this to harm anyone, you know. I hope you use it to protect yourself. Look here, lady, you need have a board about the people. You don't need no form of protection. Him looks alone can